Welcome to Punaluʻu Black Sand Beach, a stunning gem along the southeastern Kau coast of the Big Island. Famous for its jet black sand formed by cooled lava, this beach offers a glimpse into Hawaii's volcanic origins and ancient traditions. Punaluʻu, meaning spring diver, honors the freshwater springs that sustained early Hawaiians. Today, it's a peaceful spot for beachgoers, sea turtle watchers, and picnickers. Green sea turtles and endangered hawksbill turtles often bask on the warm sand, a sight you won't forget. Remember to admire them from a distance, though. Punaluʻu offers ADA-accessible facilities, picnic tables, barbecue pits, restrooms, and camping areas, making it a great destination for day trips or overnight stays. Whether you're here to relax, explore tide pools, or enjoy the view, Punaluʻu's unique beauty and wildlife make it a must-see on your Big Island adventure.